Nowadays, we cannot solely depend on doctors and medicine to keep ourselves healthy. We also need nutrients from the food we eat. The amount of nutrients in the food is not weighed by our preference and the price of the food. The world's population is still expanding. People became less aware of the quality, but rather quantity of food. Less nutritious food are eaten. Thus, malnutrition would be the result. In this case, the most direct and effective way to make up nutrient deficiency is taking nutrient supplement. One company has dedicated itself to seeking out nature's best sources for health and sharing them with the world. AIM Global Incorporated. Founded in September 2005, AIM Global takes pride in being the exclusive distributor of Alive Mega Nutritionals in Southeast Asia, a product line whose significance and purpose goes beyond trend and taste, promoting the greatest wealth known to us, our health. Alive Mega Nutritionals is the world's first whole food energizer dietary supplement, with the most number of antioxidants and with approximately 16,000 phytonutrients in one product. Produced from nature's best ingredients such as chelated minerals, flash glands fruits and veggies, and organically grown mushrooms, Alive is the most nutritionally dense food concentrate in the world market today. Known to be the most potent anti-aging product in the history of supplementation, Alive is the first mega nutritionals whose ingredients work in synergy to produce maximum results for the body. Alive is better absorbed into the bloodstream because its vegetarian capsules disintegrate in less than 18 minutes, 5 times faster than any other leading brands. Each Alive Veggie Cup contains 29 vitamins and minerals, 12 whole fruit juice blend, 12 whole vegetable juice blend, 12 green food spirulina blend, 18 amino acids, 12 digestive enzymes, 12 mushrooms, 12 specialty nutrients, and 10 essential fatty acids. Alive Mega Nutritionals is US FDA approved, BFAD registered, and the bearer of Halal rating, verified by FSF and kosher rating. Alive lowers cholesterol level, protects against heart disease and complications, helps prevent cancer of any origin, controls blood sugar, prevents degenerative diseases like arthritis, enhances, nourishes, strengthens, and balances the immune system, rejuvenates the skin, promotes healthy blood circulation and cell regeneration, detoxifies the body, and enhances sexual vitality. Alive Mega Nutritionals is made to the traditionally high standards of Nature's Way. Nature's Way, AIM Global's product partner, embodies 36 years of refined product development, founded and maintained through the efforts of 200 medical doctors, herbalists, and scientists actively engaged, and spends $25 million in research and development. Nature's Way is America's natural healthcare leader, specializing in the highest quality of natural medicines. Every product that bears the green Nature's Way leaf exceeds the most rigorous quality standards and testing procedures in the natural products industry. A proud winner of the distinct Frost & Sullivan Product Quality Leadership Award in 2004, Nature's Way is no doubt the #1 premium herbal company in the US.